Hi guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can start to invest. Because I have a lot of people who ask me how to invest, what's this form of investing, how do I get started, what do I need to do. I got you. I'm going to lay out the basics for you, how you can start to invest your money, because everybody wants to make passive income, want to make a little extra on the side, ready to get rid of their job, etc., etc. So pretty much that's what we're going to talk about today. All right guys, so today we're going to talk about how to start to invest. But first, if you would mind subscribing to my YouTube channel, liking this video, just hitting that like button, because it helps grow my channel, and I'm most definitely trying to grow it, and I'm trying to get monetized. So you can hit that like button for me. Thank you. And let's get into the topic at hand. How do you start to invest? All right, there's many ways you can go about this. I'm not even gonna stunt with you guys. There's a lot of ways you can go about doing this. Now, every way it's gonna be different. You do it for everybody, but generally these are the steps in which you will follow. All right. First things first. Whatever you are spending your money on, whatever your hobby is, your hobby. You know what your hobby is. Sit there and think about it for a second. You already know. Whatever that hobby is, stop it. That's cardinal rule number one. If you really want to start to invest, whatever that hobby is that is taking up large portions of your money, stop it. If you like to go out to eat every day, stop it. If you want to go out and party every weekend, stop it. If you have an addiction to these mobile games, you just keep buying coins or something, stop it. Whatever that hobby is, stop it. And the reason for that being is this: it's a hobby. Hobbies are something you do for fun. No, you spend money on hobbies. Hobbies don't make you money. That's just not how it works. Some people hobbies do that, but if your hobby don't do that, so stop it. That's the first thing you should do. Pretty much just cut out those expenses. Any type of expense that is not something you literally need, cut it out. Because if you really want to invest and get your money to work for you, you're going to need money to do it. And if you're living paycheck to paycheck now and you wonder, how can I stop? This is how you stop. Cutting out the unnecessary things you do not need. For me personally, when I started, I stopped drinking beer. I cut down on subscriptions. I stopped getting haircuts. I did a lot to really, level the playing field so I could actually keep some of my money. Because if you're using all your money to literally live your lifestyle, it's going to be extremely difficult to invest. Because if you're using all your money, what you gonna invest with? And I'm just being truthful with you guys. I'm not some random guy on YouTube or internet or some random ad. Yeah, you want to invest? You want to make millions? You want to get your money work for you? Huh? That's what you want to do? I can teach you how to do it, and you're not going to use your own money. Lies. You need your own money. You need it. So, which brings me to my second thing. If you really want to get into investing, the second thing you need to do, after cutting out those hobbies and them expenses that you don't need, work. I ain't mean to hit you with that like that. You see what I did there? Yes, work. And I'm gonna be 100 with you. You have to work. Especially if you're an average guy or average Joe, as people want to call it. There is no beautiful, catastrophic, outrageous conspiracy plan thing that's just going to magically make money fall into your pocket. You got to work for it. That's everything you do, you have to work for it. So second thing you need to do if you really want to start investing is to go to work, get a job. There are a lot of jobs out there. Me personally, I strongly recommend some that give you as many hours as possible. No, I understand not all jobs do that, but there are jobs out there that will allow you to, apply for overtime, be on an overtime list, just do more than the standard 8 hours. And what this is going to do is, if you cut out those hobbies, the first rule, cut out those hobbies, and then you actually work a little, just a little more than the average Joe, this will allow you to bring you to the third thing you need to do to start investing, which is put up a nest egg. Now, me personally, I would recommend putting up anywhere between $500 and $1,000 just stash away in your high yield bank account. Only for the simple fact is, in your process of investing, you just want to have something to the side, just in case something come up like tire. Randomly, you gotta help a family member or something like that. This little $500 to $1,000 side is really gonna come necessary, because once you start to invest, you're not gonna want to take that money out. That's working backwards. You don't want to do that. So putting this little nest egg to the side between $500 and $1,000 can really, really, really save you. But on the way to get there, $500 to $1,000, you gotta go to rule number 1, cut out those hobbies. Rule number 2, actually work. You know what I'm saying? So now we got 3 rules down just like that. Now we're getting somewhere, people. I'm here to help you. Just listen to what I got to say and just really think about this. All right. Now, the next thing you need to do for that 4th step, the magic here, pay off one of your bills. Not all of them. Pay off one of your bills. That way it can help you to save more of your money, which in return would allow you to invest more of your money. Now, the reason I said it is, there's a lot of people out there, and I used to be one of them. We have a lot of bills. You got the rent, you got the car note, you got the insurance, you got the cell phone, you got the Comcast, you got the subscriptions, you got the furniture. It's too much. And the best way to go about that, if you really want to invest your money, tackle some of those bills. I'm not saying go erase all of them. No. Tackle some. See, can you get a cheaper phone plan, right? Erase those furniture notes. If you have a decent car, like far as payment size, kill the car note. I say if it's less than 10K, kill it. If it's more than 10K, tackle away at it. Because, and the reason I said it is, you don't want to completely dump all your money to erase said car note, because you want to start investing now. Because the reason about that, if you were to start investing today and paying your bills, over the course of 5 years, you would actually have killed a lot of debt and invest a lot of money. But if you choose to just pay off your car all at once, you're not investing, which means you're not actually gaining as much as you can. If you do both simultaneously, the ideology behind it is this. You're getting, say, stocks, for instance. Say today AT&T is worth $20, right? If you start buying AT&T today and paying your car note, you're decreasing how much you own your car, but you already are starting to buy AT&T at $20. Now let's say you wait until after you paid off that said car and started to invest. Okay, 5 years from now, boom, your car note gone. Congratulations. But now AT&T is trading at $30. So if you would have started 5 years ago, you could have got in at $20 and just kept buying. And that alone could have brought you in a large pile of money. You know what I'm saying? You waiting to invest hurts, because the longer you wait to invest, the longer you take away your greatest asset, which is compound interest. Compound interest is how you make all your money when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the better it is. The later you start, the longer it is going to take. So, as I say again, I would recommend paying off some of those bills, not all, some, just so you can hold more of your money to start investing with. These are things that you can do today, people. Think about it. Do it. All right, guys. I pretty much gave you the layout, the blueprint of how you can actually start to invest. Because a lot of people tell you, buy some stocks, buy them fractional shares, get in real estate. I'm telling you the steps before you actually get to that step. Now, how do you actually put yourself in a position to actually start doing said things? This is why I lay it out for you guys. These are things that I personally done myself and they work wonders for me. Maybe you did something and it's slightly different, completely different. Leave it in the comments. I would love to see what you did different for me. I just like hearing the story of how people just slowly started their process, and next thing you know, they're just miles ahead of where they thought they was even going to be. It's crazy, some of the stories you hear. I love hearing them. But these are pretty much things that I personally did, and it worked out pretty good for me. It was very, very hard. It was very, very trying, but I persevered, I pushed through, and now when I look back on it, I think it was some of the best decisions that I have ever made. But what about you? Think those are some good layout plans? Try them for yourself. Let me know. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. I do have my Instagram in the description. So if you guys want to talk, got any questions, most definitely hit me up on there. And thanks for watching the video, guys. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.